out here with the 5.3 LS out of 2002 Gen 3. Let's get this harmonic balancer installed in here. Factory bolt is not long enough, so I did buy the kit off of Amazon. I'm going to take the ball bearings, I'm going to coat them up in this silicone brake lubricant. I don't have any high temp grease, so I figured this will be better than just running it dry. So we're going to get all that put together, and then we are going to see if we can get this thing pressed on here. And just like that, we are in there like swimwear. We're just going to loosen this up, take it off. Then we're going to get the crank bolt in, and that's going to be all she wrote. It's seated in there all the way, and that's all you need. A lot of people say that these bearings only last 1 or 2 times. I don't know if they're using impacts or what, but I mean, everything went just fine. Maybe they're just using them dry and they're not lubing them up, but you know, if we're grown, that a little lube goes a long way. So yeah, just like that, everything is out, and then from there the crank bolt just goes in, and I don't have my big impact wrench, and I'm sure there's a torque spec, but I'm probably just gonna hit it with a couple Ugga Duggas. That's it. It is on there. This kit is what you need. I will have a link to it in the description, and also if you are trying to LS swap a 77 to 89 box Caprice, I will have my Amazon store for all the parts that I've used for that as well. And if you want to look at the series for the 81 Caprice that I inherited from my great grandfather, that will be probably in the description or something as well somewhere. I'll have a playlist for it, so you can go to my channel, look for the playlist. But yeah, simple, easy, to the point. That's it. So like everything you do, think, build, enjoy. Peace.